M-350 pasteurizer. Next generation pasteurization set. (175 to 350 liters). 47 to 92 gallons. Recording of the full process over a production cycle with the possibility of saving the data on external storage. 4 to 6 hours production cycle. The M-350 pasteurizer can be filled up automatically or manually. The egg mass in the pasteurizer is slowly heated to 66 to 69 degrees Celsius. Then the egg mass undergoes the pasteurization process. Its time can be adjusted by using the control panel in the range of 15 to 20 minutes. High temperature destroys most of the bacterial cells as well as yeast and mold. The pasteurized egg mass is then rapidly cooled down to 2 to 6 degrees Celsius. The finished product is pumped into the filter for final purification of the mass. The bag filler measures the weight with an accuracy of 0.01 liters and pumps it into the bag in box bags. The egg filter is durable and easy to clean. The FM filler gives you the opportunity to choose a required amount of pumped mass from 1 to 20 liters, defining personal settings with an accuracy of 0.01 liters or manual dosing. The shelf life of the pasteurized egg mass is up to 30 days. Easy to clean with CIP System. The M-350 pasteurizer has an automatic self-cleaning system. A special rotating spray ball ensures precise cleaning of the machine interiors. The machine can be washed with the use of detergents. M-350 pasteurizer. Next generation pasteurization set.